Over the New Year holidays, I decided it was time to make over our home office, and I lime washed the walls and ceiling into a cream beige lime wash. This is the second time I've done lime wash now, so the process went a lot quicker. For those who might not have seen my first video, just to quickly recap, lime wash is a paint solution made from crushed limestone that's mixed with water. Lime washing is a technique used to create a beautiful aged look on your walls and is a great way to add character, depth, and texture to a space. In terms of supplies, this time I tried lime wash from a Belgian brand called Glitter. What's different about this lime wash paint was that it actually comes in powder form and you mix in the water. As I had an accent green wall, I first reverted it back to the original white paint of our office. Once this had dried, I recruited my husband and we started priming the space. Now, painting the primer is an important step not to be skipped because it helps to create a smooth surface for the lime wash paint to adhere to and increases the durability of the lime wash paint. If you apply lime wash directly on unprimed walls, it may result in uneven paint absorption, leading to blotchy or patchy areas. Take note to use a primer especially formulated for lime wash, otherwise the lime wash paint won't adhere properly. Once the primer was applied, I waited 12 hours before painting the lime wash. Before applying the lime wash, I used painter's tape to tape off the areas I didn't want to get paint on. I then mixed up the lime wash powder with water. The ratio of water to powder was 1.7 liters water to 1 kg bag of powder. To get the organic, beautiful lime wash effect, I used the crosshatch technique to apply the lime wash paint and then went over the painted areas to blend it a little more. This technique helped to reduce the appearance of heavy streaks and blotches while still maintaining an organic lime wash effect. I found that using a drier brush helped me to achieve a more blended look versus getting a more blotchy look when the paint was more watery. When working with lime wash, it's important to remember that the paint will become lighter as it dries. So don't worry when you see that the color looks darker than you expect. Lime wash is all about layering, so I applied the lime wash paint in thin, even layers, building up the color gradually. This allowed for better control over the paint absorption and reduced blotchiness. After each coat, I made sure to allow it to dry completely before applying the next coat. In total, I did about 2 coats. If you are lime washing an area with high traffic or lots of water splashes, you may want to consider doing one more coat with added densifier or sealer, as this will give a protective layer to your lime wash and allow dirt marks to be easily cleaned off. As I was priming our home office, I thought I'd try get away with not doing this step. For this project, I decided to also apply lime wash to the ceiling. Now, this was a total body workout. I was so sore after the first day and could barely lift my arms the next day to finish the project. But the hard work was so worth it. Here are the finished results. I love it.